Oh, now it does it right away. What's that fucking tires up there?
What?
Those 34s over to you?
No, those are 3811.
I was going to say, they look awful big.
I love that Jesus.
Neighbors.
They just let us scan it off.
Oh shit. It's gonna go boom, dude. It's gonna go boom.
Where did girl float?
Woo! Look at neighbor down the way. That's awesome.
Neighbor standing. We're being shot at.
Taking rounds. Oh, man, we got set.
Yeah. I think you told your neighbor. I was like, damn, I forgot my pole. She was like, that's okay. This shit's going on YouTube. Get an address, man. Look it up.
How are you blocking it out?
Oh, we gotta pull the tranny out of that. So we need to get
Oh, he
it out.
still hasn't fucking...
I'll push it that way. Should have came and did this before I did my training.
Yeah. No, you're lucky to got out here just... That would have been it.
Yeah, it would have been done.
There
goes Joey. Oh, shit.
Yeah, there goes Joey.
I got to run around backwards with people cutting on.
Man, they got a buddy sitting in the water, dude.
Redneck football, man.
Put more air in that tire. It'll flow good. And I'm gonna fucking hook these.
Dude, you were already getting fucking deep.
Well, go out there, Jake. What the fuck are you waiting for? Get him? That's my new thing. Oh! Oh, I just buried it.
You're done!
Oops.
You buried it.
I'm going to get a dry lighter.
What is there to come?
Oops. You take it, you pull it.
Mom, for your mom!
You're going to get in the back of Joey's truck and see? You want to get up in Joey's truck and see anything? Yeah, you feel better, huh?
Both the dead ones in the water are sitting up on the ground, in the driveway.
Right.
Oh shit! Fucking goddamn steering link. Hey Ray!
Oh, where's he got that hook? Stop!
Oh shit, he hooked it on the... It's hooked in a drag link. He'll get it on the drag link for a pull this the fucking tires. Did you innovate it? That was fucking harsh. I didn't even see you over there. I thought you'd walk away from it and railing in. But you took your head off stuff behind your truck. Yeah, I see that. No. Yeah.
Break the tire out?
No, he bent it so bad that he can't.
What? Broke the axle!
That was badass. Look at that shit. Look at it. It came up and I was like, I seen him, I was just sick. He's pissed. He's a bitch, just watch it. No. Put the action. He's gonna get a good spray. That's right. That's fucking cool. getting good stills of these, or are you taking videos?
I took 2 stills so far. Yeah, I'm going to take 5 more pictures. I'm going to
You guys are fucking killing me here. Oh, we got out there quite a ways. Oh, I got the damn pressure playing all the time.
Why did you not get me?
No, amazingly.
No. They fucking admit.
It didn't even give me a miss. I thought I was going to get drenched.
Yeah, you can get that.
I was waiting for it, but it just kind of went dead and stopped right in front of me.
You get fucking 50 seconds on my fucking phone.
Oh, no shit.
I can take 5 more pictures and I got like 50 videos out.
You finally about maxed it out, huh?
Yeah.
That ain't bad for having a shitty transmission. Oops. Spoke too soon. It's bad.
He's like, four-wheel drive wasn't working. I'm like, you retard, the axle is busted! Tell me that's what you get! I'll be a mechanic, but at least I know that much. At least one.
Not working, I don't know why.
I mean, anybody that's ever been bogging knows never hooked to that shit.
Well, he hasn't been. He'll know this stuff, but...
Oh, don't dog him too, man. He just probably nobody ever showed it.
No, the thing... No, I don't care where he hooked it. No, he's like... Four-wheel drive, I already told him the axle's busted. He's like, well, the four-wheel drive wouldn't work. The front tires weren't. I'm like, the axle's busted.